Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable GPU debug layers on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down again and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to debugging section. Here in debugging sections, okay, you can see here the enable GPU debug layers. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the GPU debug layers, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, allow loading GPU debug layers for debug apps. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully disabled. So okay guys, I decide to enable the GPU debug layers on my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled GPU debug layers on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.